back to my channel and Happy New Year. Also, last video I did say that I was getting my hair done, and no, I haven't gotten it done yet. It's been very busy, so hopefully by the end of this month or next month I'll be doing my hair. It is now time to do one of my favorite things I like to do. Sorry, there's someone doing landscaping outside, so I have to wait for that. It is now time to do one of the things that I love to do in the beginning of the year, which is reflecting on the previous year and checking off the things that I didn't do in 2025, but I will be implementing them back again in 2026. So number one is work out 3 times a week. I've been working out here and there since August. And there's some weeks where I do accomplish those goals of working out 3 times, or there's some times where it's 1, and then there's times where just I didn't work out at all. I think working out has definitely made a huge impact on my health physically and mentally. So going back into it with this mindset that I'm gonna be stronger and I'm gonna get better, because it was recommended by my therapist to do Pilates as much as I can and eat the right foods so that I can be able to carry a child. For those of you that don't know, I've been struggling to have a child for the past 2-3 years, and it's something that my husband and I really want to accomplish pretty soon. I'm kind of nervous because I'm gonna be 36 this year, and it's really scary and I get really sad about it. So hopefully this year it'll be my year. Number 2 is waking up at 6 a.m. every morning. Yeah, I fell off the rails with that. I think one of them was just dealing with my mental health and my physical health. I don't know if it's something that I want to implement back in. Number 3 is eat more at home. So meaning cook more, just eat out less. Maybe that'll be a weekend thing that my husband and I do. We want to be able to budget these things because we are preparing to have kids, and you know, we want to be able to give them the experience that other children have as well. So, and also I think it's a lot healthier for us to eat at home compared to eating out at restaurants. I have a lot of like food sensitivity as well, so I'd like to be able to control that. That's why we do the bi-weekly budgeting tracker, like keep us both accountable for what we're spending. So that's why it's really important that we do that for ourselves. I've been using it for the past 3 weeks and I've been enjoying it so much. One of the things I really wanted to try to implement last year was to read more. So I took it upon myself to read 6 books. I've completely failed at that. I've only read 1 book, and that was The French Ingredient. I really love that book and I resonated with that book so much. I've never lived in France, but I mean, one of my goals is to do that, and I've been romanticizing it a lot. But it'll be something that maybe in the future my husband and I and our children can have another location to live, and I think it would be in France. It's one of my favorite countries to go to. I also speak the language and understand the language. I cook the food, everything. So I'm basically like immersed in the culture as well. Number 5, to book more clients and post more on social media and grow my business account, making my space up to par. And I haven't done anything to it since I moved in there, and that's something that I really want to do. Like, I really want to do a cute little coffee bar in the corner, but it is a small space, so I still I'm not sure what exactly I want to do. In 2025, I did pretty good for my first year in business compared to what I was doing. For the past 5 years, I was working in a salon space. Number 6 is to clean for 10 to 15 minutes a day. It's not easy, but I did the kitchen the day after New Year's, and then I did the living room yesterday. So that was really nice. My husband and I threw away some books that we weren't reading anymore, but I was really proud of him for helping me with the bookshelf. I'm filming this again because I lost all my footage for the second half of this video. Number 7 is grow my following to 10K. I definitely want to get better with YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, build this community where I can teach people about how to do hair. I know it's something that I'm missing as a hairstylist, learning how to do certain things. And honestly, when I started out in the industry, I was so thankful to have these platforms to help me as a hairstylist get better with my techniques and my skill set. So that's something that I want to implement for 2026. Yeah, that's the end of my list. Write things down in this journal. It's my manifestation and my to-do list. I'm halfway done. This year, it'll be time for a new moleskin. Yeah, this looked super fun. I need to read more. This year I implemented maybe about 3 books to read. Hopefully I can get there. Number 2, I want to improve my sleep. I'm not saying to necessarily wake up at 6 every morning, but I definitely want to go to bed earlier and get 8 hours of sleep. And also implementing more water into my daily habits. Number 4 is to take mental health days seriously. In the service industry, not having mental health days can feel like, I don't know how to explain, but when you are feeling your lowest and you have to go to work, and I'm not saying to not work, but having one day dedicated to yourself to just do the things you want to do, and even if it's just to sleep all day, I think that's more than enough. For me, my ideal mental health day would probably just to go to a coffee shop and just sit down for a couple of hours and just relax and sightsee. That's my ideal mental health day. Touching grass is my favorite thing to do. Just take off your shoes and just like plant your feet on grass, and I feel like it's so energizing and healing that you just become a whole different person that day. Number 5 is to improve my French so that when the day comes for me to do work in France, I can be able to communicate with French clients in their language. My favorite thing about learning the language is definitely the French slang. And it's also common in Spanish, is when there's certain thing, the literal translation in English could be like very confusing and weird, but the literal translation is just something special and funny. That's my favorite thing about learning a new language so far. Improving my communication is also something I really want to take seriously. I get agitated when things aren't clear and precise, and I'm thinking it was clear, and it's one of those things that I do want to improve on is being able to communicate more. And I want to get out of the house, go get coffee every once in a while, maybe like once a week type of thing, but also sticking to my budget. Number 8, I want to keep my space a little bit more organized, meaning getting organizers and putting certain things where they should be and keeping them there instead of placing them down on the first spot I see. I'm so happy that I got to organize the living room a little bit better and just like having my coffee table back again and not having all this junk on it. That made me feel very energized. I had a sense of clarity. Number 9 is to save because going into 2026, it's so difficult to get back into the grind. January is always a very slow season for me. Being able to budget wisely is very important. I started a envelope cash stuffing thing where I allot maybe $500 from my account and place them into things like food, gas, self-care, and that's all I spend on. And so far, I love it. It's been helping me a lot better, knowing that I can save and not feel weird about spending this money. Number 10, I want to continue to knit. I started knitting a sweater in the end of October and I'm still not finished with it, but I'm almost done with the body and then I'll move on to the sleeves next. But yeah, by the look of it, I'll have a sweater by end of winter. To be invited to go see Emily in Paris for season 6 because it looks like so much fun. Also, I want to be able to work with French skincare companies and a lot of French brands. Also, my dream is to meet just one of my favorite French actresses. Her name is just very hard to pronounce. Bolu. Oh my gosh. Bolu. We're done with the vision board. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in my background. This was my first vision board that I've actually took the time to create. I am personally so excited yet so nervous to see where this year is gonna take us. I have a lot of amazing things I wanna do planned, and I hope all your dreams and anything you manifest come true. And if it does, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to read about it. I'm gonna go ahead and end this video here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.